when you're on a sales call and you're asking the prospect, does that make sense? And they're saying, yeah. Then don't believe them, because it's more important to listen to their tonality rather than actually the words that are coming out of their mouth. So if people are saying things like, yeah, it makes sense, it really doesn't sound like it makes sense, and doesn't sound like they're sure about it. So then you have to call them out on it, like, are you sure? You don't sound like you're sure. So you have to actually confront them with that fact, that it doesn't sound like they're sure. So what exactly are you unsure about, so that I can explain it better to you? So the tonality, the way they're saying things, is much more important than what they're actually saying, because our words is only like, I don't know, 10% of our communication, whereas the rest, 90%, is the tonality, our body language. Yeah, so the way they're saying things is more important than what they're saying. Hope it makes sense. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe. Take care.